What do you think about CC's teacher?
I think that CC teachers teach very better, and I like to come to CEC, and CET teacher teach very better, and we understand. That's tell us. That's it.
I think that CC's teachers are very good. They teach they teach us in the fun way, and they like them.
What is the naughtiest member of your family?
In my family, my cousins are very noticed in my family.
In my family, my cousins are very naughty, and sometimes they fight with me, and sometimes my small sister hit me. So cousins are very naughty family, eh, naughty member in my family.
What do you think about your school?
I think about my school that my school is large and I love go to school that because there is a big playground that we we play, and there is a garden also to enjoy the scene of the school. We take education from I take education from my school, and the teachers of my school are very sweet and lovely with our.
I think my school is very big, and our teacher in my school teachers are very sweet, and teachers like a fun, and activities are also there, dance, drawing, and teachers don't scold without any reason, and if teachers scold, so teach sweet, don't scold us very bad type, and I like to go to school, and I love my school.
My school is very good. Some teachers are very rude. Sometimes they are very scold us. There are very bad, and some teachers are very good. They do not scold us without any reason. That's why I like my school.
Like your family.
I like my family because my family loves me a lot, and I enjoy with my family every day, and my sibling, my mother and my father and my whole family. Uh, Sometimes we dine out and we enjoy when we dine out outside, and on festivals we enjoy a lot. We eat snacks. We enjoy on Diwali or Holi. We burst crackers on Diwali. We we pray to Lord Ganesha and Lord and Goddess Lakshmi. And on Holi we play with colors, water guns or water balloons. That's why I love my family.
I like my family because they support me in every problem, and we celebrate festivals with each other, and we play with them. We play with each other. That's why.
I like family because I play with my cousins, and on festival I celebrated festival with my family, very enjoyable, and we celebrate, we eat snacks and enjoy a lot, and sometime when my birthday, so my mother give me surprise of many gifts, and my All whole family loves me very much and do not scold me without any reason, and I like my family most. Because without money we cannot buy anything, and we do not fulfill our wishes and parents' wishes, and without money our life is very incomplete. Money with money we can go other country and talk with foreigners. That's it.
Money is necessary because we buy our needs and fulfill our desires and our parent desires. We with money we can go in the abroad. We can we can buy our needful things. That's why.
Money is necessary because without money we can't survive, or we can't buy clothes, food, or something else. Without money we can't fulfill our dreams, or our parents or our family dreams. And without money we can't survive, because money is the important part of our life, like water, because both of them are the most important for our person of India or whole earth.
Why do you like your friends?
I like my friend because my friends are very supportive to me and they help in every situation, and I think that my friends are most important part for my life ever.
My friends are good and they support me in every problem. Sometimes I do not know anything, so they make me understand. That's why.
I like my friend because in every situation my friends help me, and if I don't know anything in any subject, so they tell me and I understand and I play with my friends. Friends are important part of our life, and without friends we cannot enjoy and play and spend our time. That's it. Friends are important for our life.
What do you think about your society?
I think about my society, that my society is very full of trees, greenery, and there is very cleanliness in my society. In every morning, sweepers come to clean the streets and the parks in my society, and I play with my friends at sometimes at evening. And I enjoy to live in my society. That's why I love my society, and the and my society is the most is the most safe place, or there is many security guards to see the society.
My society is very big and there is very trees and grasses, and guard also check that no one come in our society, and sweepers also come to uh, uh, clean the streets and cars. And our society is very big, so I can play with my friends, and I like to love there. That's it.
My society is very good. Eh, my neighbors are also good because they help in help each other in every problem, and sweepers come to clean